To remove reflections or shadows from your photos on a Samsung S25, start by opening Galaxy Store and you have to search for this application, Galaxy Enhance X. And now you have to just go into Open button when you download it on your phone. And it's free application from Samsung that will allow us to do this. For the first time when you open it, you will have to accept all of these permissions. So let's do this. And now pick the photo that you want to adjust. Then you have to click on the remove reflection. And now just wait for this. And now by moving this slider to the left or the right side, you can actually pick you can actually spot the difference. And if you want to finish, you have to click done. And when you click on this place, you can also remove shadows from your photos or by selecting this function. But in my case, there's actually no shadows found in the image. But if you have one, then you can for sure do this.